Professional services firms today are generating an exploding volume of data, yet somehow they know less about their active files than ever. It's a systemic problem called context collapse. Every week, highly paid professionals waste hours simply trying to reconstruct the basic reality of what happened last on a client matter. The friction lives in the silos. A single client journey is shattered across an overflowing Outlook inbox, a half-updated CRM, scattered SharePoint folders, and disconnected phone logs. The standard solution has been a hub-and-spoke model, which is just a polite way of saying the overworked human is the router, forced to manually drag context from one system to the next. Sunny is an AI operating system built specifically to cure this fragmentation for Australian professional services. It connects all those discrete tools into a single platform, shifting your firm from a collection of isolated databases into one instantly searchable memory layer. Instead of digging through 5 different applications, you open the Sunny dashboard and ask a direct question about an active file. You simply type, "Where are we on the Henderson matter, and what do we need to do before the review meeting?" This diagram illustrates what happens next. Sunny simultaneously pulls facts from emails, financial software, and documents, analyzing every system at once. Within seconds, it outputs a single, clean paragraph detailing the file's status, last point of contact, and required next actions. While a standard chatbot treats every new prompt like a blank slate, Sunny is built on a compounding memory architecture. It continuously reads and learns from every daily action. Over time, it autonomously maps your firm's pricing rules, preferred communication styles, and client patterns without requiring any manual data entry. That memory creates permanent institutional knowledge. When an employee leaves, the historical context of their client relationships stays exactly where it belongs. Internal data is only half the picture. Professional services operate against a constant, unpredictable current of changing regulations, ATO rulings, and migration bulletins. Sunny handles this through a daily legislation watch, digesting every relevant legal update for your practice area overnight, long before the firm opens its doors. Looking at this workflow, Sunny cross-references these external rules against your firm's internal memory, instantly mapping which active clients are affected. The system lights up the exact files that need attention, filtering out noise to prevent missed deadlines. With the context gathered, the platform moves to execution using skills, your firm's specific standard operating procedures captured as automated AI agents. If a skill is triggered for client intake or BAS preparation, the agent uses both the internal history and the latest external rules to draft the required documents. There is always a strict human approval gate. The agents perform the routine drafting, leaving the final review and sign-off entirely to the professional. Pairing perfect context with automated execution shifts your team out of manual data gathering, elevating them into the strategic decision-makers they were trained to be. For regulated practices, bringing all this intelligence together raises a vital requirement: absolute control over data sovereignty and confidentiality. There are 3 distinct deployment paths: a managed SaaS hosted on Australian infrastructure, a private cloud tenant in your environment, or an air-gapped on-premise installation. Across all architectures, Sunny operates read-only by default, generating a time-stamped record of every AI action for perfect auditability. The daily friction of chasing fragmented threads and reconstructing context is replaced by a permanent state of controlled clarity. Your client history, your firm's specific processes, and the shifting regulatory environment are finally running inside a single unified brain. True firm efficiency begins when clarity is connected. Visit sunburntai.com.au to book a live demo and see Sunny applied directly to your